Hey there, welcome to my series on how to rig and animate this 40mm cannon. You can see from this video clip that there's a lot going on with the gun. The gun recoils when it fires, the springs compress, ammunition feeds into the ammunition chutes, there's smoke, there's fire, there's tracers that come out, and then on top of all that there's a gun crew that interacts meaningfully with the gun so that the operators rotate their handles and the gun elevates and traverses properly, and then the loaders actually drop ammunition into the gun. To coordinate all that movement, I came up with what I think is a fairly unique method of using a mechanical timing cam and some followers and rocker arms to coordinate all the mechanical motions of the gun and the crew. So if I scrub through here, you can see that cam spins, and then these following gears and these rocker arms then take measurements from the cam, and then those measurements are then used in drivers and translated into movement in the gun. So there's a fair amount going on in the background. The nice thing though is when the project is done, the gun can be easily animated with just 3 items. So there are 2 bones here and an empty. So this bone here is basically the trigger for the gun. When it's in this position, the gun will fire, and when it's in the up position, the gun will not fire. And then this bone here turns on the tracking mode, so that if it's in the up position, the gun doesn't care where this target is, but if it goes into the on position here, and then we go back into object mode and we move the target, the gun then follows the target. And if you animate this target or parent it to something, then as you run your animation, the gun will automatically track to that target. And then if we look closely at the gun operators, you can see that as the target goes up and down, the guy on the right there, the elevator, he turns his handles, and if it moves in the horizontal position, the guy on the left there traverses the gun. So it's all done in the background automatically, but like I said, it's easy to do because you only have these 3 objects to animate, so animation is quite easy. If that sounds like something you're interested in learning about, click on the card down on the right, and that'll take you to the first episode of the tutorial series on this gun. If you're interested in seeing the 2-minute short animation that I created to highlight this gun, go ahead and click on that card down on the left, and that'll take you to that video. Alright, thank you for watching.